Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you fail an update on your iPad Air 13 2026. First of all, start with checking your Wi-Fi connection. Go to your control center, check which network you are connected to, make sure that other devices connected to the same Wi-Fi network can freely use the internet. Then also make sure that your battery level is above 50%. If it's not, charge your device until you reach something above 50%. And if this doesn't help you, try restarting your tablet first, simply by holding down power button and volume down key at the same time, and sliding this toggle to the right to power off your iPad. After your iPad is fully turned off, turn it on by short pressing the power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen, and wait until the tablet is relaunched. After that, check your device's storage and delete the failed update by going to Settings, then General on the sidebar. Check your iPad storage. If you have an update right here, update category, select it and remove the failed update. Also make sure that you have enough storage on your iPad. If you don't, then of course upload your data to iCloud. You can also erase some of the data stored on your iPad, and then return back to General, Software Update, and perform the update once again. And if you fail this time, erase your failed update once again, and after that try performing an update using your MacBook or your computer. If you use a MacBook, you simply have to connect it to your iPad using USB-C cable, two-sided, and after that you have to enter the Finder on your MacBook and check for updates using your Finder. This way you'll be able to apply the new update on your iPad locally. And if you're using a Windows PC, then you have to download and install the iTunes application and basically do the same thing that you would do in Finder. So just check for new updates and install the new update on your iPad. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.